Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, December 15th. I hated today, mostly because we had the big run yesterday because of FOMC and then the gap up today. I'm a long bias trader. I never short. And so it just didn't, it's not the proper condition to give great opportunity. And we knew that coming in, right? Still a couple of nice calls. But like nothing huge to write home about, right? So, what was my favorite one? CDXS, I think. 5-minute candles. Yeah, it was. See that horizontal line there? Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Lior, L-I-O-R, gave the 260 break idea, which you can kind of see the ascending triangle there, right? And it went up to over 3. But the beauty of it is, if you look at the trigger right there, the stop's like 6 cents below, maybe. Worst case. I also called ADCT 2-day high break, right, through 175, and it went to 185. I mean, that's the kind of day it was, right? I think I made $50 on the trade. Some other good posts too, but I'm just it was just one of those days that I didn't expect much, but I'm optimistic because I feel like there's some decent stocks to watch tomorrow, right? I don't want to trade when everything is moving with the SPY. But when we've got some individual stocks moving on their own, that's interesting, right? So let me throw this over here. If you haven't read this, please pause the video and read it. Short version, I'm a day trader. I don't hold overnight. I focus on in-play stocks. HRYU is one of them. I probably shouldn't have this on watch because it's been up 4 days in a row. The reason it's interesting is it topped out at a half number, $1.50. You guys know I love that, so maybe a break of $1.50 tomorrow. There's the intraday. So there's the gap up, right? And it's sideways all day. It makes me like it a little bit more, but it's also extended on the daily. Quad C, CCCC. That's not an errant ticket. It actually ran up that high and then rolled over. I've been waiting for a pullback in this one, and you could argue that was it. I'd like to see it come down another day, but if you're a day trader and you're not watching this one, you're crazy. So that one goes on watch. IMMX, nice breakout today. We'll see if it gives a follow-through setup tomorrow. CDXS, big breakout today. Good candidate for a trade tomorrow. INAB, kind of the same thing. Good candidate for a trade tomorrow. ALRN, same thing. JTAI, probably one of my favorites. Topped out today at 370. Look to the left, and this was 380. So if we get back through 370, we know over 380 is kind of like blue skies. Absolutely worth keeping an eye on. MNMD, strong volume and a pretty strong close with catalyst to the left. TOST, nice pop today. Bear with me. TPIC. The headline almost made it look like they were headed for bankruptcy, and now they're not, so you might have a lot of shorts caught. Also topped out near that hole number 4, so definitely worth keeping an eye on tomorrow. And then lastly, YOSH. I'm not in love with this, but it closed at 457. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 530. Today's high was 495, so it is running in after hours. In the morning, as you guys know, if it's not still gapping, I'll just pull it right off the list. And we'll work together in the pre-market to add other gappers to this list. And let's just work together like we've been doing. Look for A+ setups only, right? All right, I'm done babbling. See you in chat.